In this question, you're given a very straightforward differential equation. Sin x times dy by dx plus y cos x is equal to 4x. You're given a boundary condition y of pi by 2 is equal to 0. You're asked to find what y of pi by 6 is. So it is a very straightforward linear differential equation. So if you divide completely with sin x, you get dy by dx plus y times cos x by sin x is equal to 4x by sin x. So this is p of x, this is q of x. So what is the integration factor? E power integral of px dx. So cos x by sin x dx. So that is equal to e power. So cos x dx is the differentiation of sin x. So e power ln sin x, that is equal to sin x. It means the integration factor is sin x. So what is the solution of linear differential equation? Y times integration factor is equal to integration of q of x times integration factor. So 4x by sin x times sin x dx. So this is the solution of a linear differential equation. That is equal to x square by 2x square 4 times x square by 2, which is equal to 2x square plus c. So y sin x is equal to 2x square plus c is the solution. Now y of pi by 2 is equal to 0. So if you put x as pi by 2 and y as 0, you get 0 is equal to 2 times pi square by 4 plus c. So c is equal to minus pi square by 2. C is equal to minus pi square by 2. So once you have c is equal to minus pi square by 2, the complete solution is 2x square minus pi square by 2. So you are asked to find y at x is equal to pi by 6. So if you put x is equal to pi by 6, sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2 is equal to x is pi by 6, x square is pi square by 36 into 2 is pi square by 18 minus pi square by 2. That is equal to minus 8 pi square by 18, which is y by 2. So y is equal to minus 8 pi square by 9 is the right answer. Minus 8 pi square by 9. So y at pi by 6 is minus 8 pi square by 9. Thank you.